This is why you need to check Facebook Marketplace for your next project car. The deals are unbelievable. Today, we're diving into the top 10 affordable project cars you can snag on Facebook Marketplace for under 10 grand. Whether you're hunting for a classic muscle car, a sleek import, or something totally unique, I've got you covered. So here we go. Number 10, we have a 1951 Chevrolet Sport Coupe Deluxe for $9,500. The seller states the engine is a rebuilt 216 CI straight 6. Trans is a rebuilt 3-speed on the column with split headers, dual exhaust. It has been converted to a 12-volt system. The mileage is unknown as the odometer is broken, currently reads 35,000 miles. It has a clean title. Seller states it runs, drives, and brakes well. I've owned the car since 1999, but my interests have changed. The gas gauge is not working. All original parts, chrome, stainless, and hubcaps are included. Number 9. We have the 1949 Chevrolet pickup for $8,500. This 49 Chevy has a newer 52 model 235 engine. The truck is not perfect, but has fresh paint and almost new tires. It needs new door glass. The glass is in it, but foggy. It runs and drives. It has new brake lines and the brake line kits to go on it. It will have new rubber seals and a windshield installed. The grille is not perfect, but it has new headlights, new headlight buckets, new chrome rings, new taillights, and new upholstered seats. Seller is open to trades, especially older rat rods or hot rods. They don't have to be perfect. Number 8 is the 1953 Mercury Custom for $7,000. This is a 1953 Mercury two-door with a clean title in seller's name. It's currently tagged and driven on occasion. It runs, drives, and stops. It has a flathead V8 with a 3-speed on the floor. Everything is intact for the column shift except the shift handle. An aftermarket electrical fuel pump was installed before seller purchased it. It runs and sounds great. The odometer showed just over 9,000 miles when it was bought. What do you all think of this car? The car is not perfect, but is really fun to drive. It could use new floor pans, although the trunk pan is solid. The window on the driver's side is cracked, but replacements are fairly inexpensive. The price has been lowered because I somehow managed to crack the passenger window. It's still functional, just has a crack. $7,000 or best offer. Number 7, 1964. Buick Skylark Special is available for $7,500. This classic beauty features a Chevy 350 V8 with cam and a rebuilt 400 turbo transmission, completed approximately 3 months ago, along with a new torque converter installed. It runs and drives, but does need a fresh coat of paint. It comes with a clear Tennessee title. The price is $7,500, negotiable with no trades accepted. Number 6, here we have a 1971 Ford Comet Black for $10,000. This model comes with a 302 engine and is equipped with AFR heads. The car has never been raced and is an all-steel car, making it street legal and strip ready if that's what you're looking for. The price is firm and no trades will be considered. What do you think of this car? Up next, at number 5, we have a 1973 Ford Mustang available for $7,500. This is a project car with no motor and no transmission. It's a 73 Mach 1 Mustang, and the price is firm at $7,500. It also needs new floor pans and trunk pans. No trades will be considered for this project. Finally, at number 4, we have a 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS for $9,000. This is a nice project car. The gas tank and gas lines have just been replaced. The car was restored about 15 years ago and comes with a strong 350 motor and transmission. The car sounds awesome, but does need some work, including body work and brakes. Seller does have the brakes available. The seller states may consider a trade for a Toyota Tundra. If the ad is still up, the car is still available. Remember, this car is 50 years old and a rare SS model, or best offer. Next at number 3, we have a 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2-door for $5,000. Major project car opportunity. Seller states needs to sell their 1963 Thunderbird. Original FE 390 engine and Ford-O-Matic transmission. Non-running, needs new engine or rebuild and interior update. The seller states the car hasn't ran in about 3 years. Carb is original and needs a rebuild. Originally a California car, this is a complete, extremely low-rust car. Titled in Virginia now. Must sell. If you're looking for a classic American car with a lot of character, this Thunderbird is a fantastic option. As always, if the ad is still up, the car is still available. Next up at number 2, we have a 1972 Plymouth Duster for $8,500. This iconic muscle car is a dream for any classic car enthusiast. Seller states this is a 72 Duster race car roller. Really nice Duster, roll cage, subframes ties, Dana 60 rear, ladder car. States it is solid and well built and not hacked up junk. Last ran with a big block Mopar. Has big block elephant ears included. Nice paint with new wheels. Just add engine and transmission. Seller states this car does not have a title and is sold on a bill of sale. The seller notes does not want your junk Chevrolet trade offers. Cash is king. Remember, if the listing is still active, the car is still available. Don't let this chance to own a piece of American automotive heritage pass you by. What do you think of this car? Worth having without a title? And lastly, at number 1, let's take a look at the 1970 Chevrolet Malibu LT sedan 4-door for $8,000. A true symbol of American muscle and style. This classic car is a testament to Chevrolet's legacy of producing high-performance vehicles. This 1970 Malibu Chevelle has a 5.3 LS motor and trans. Seller states all it needs is a wiring harness and put back together to be drivable. The car has a solid body and floor pans. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 classic cars for sale under $10,000. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. See you next time.